So we made it to week 6, only 2 weeks left, so getting down to the end of this. So this week, really nothing out of the ordinary. Just watch out for those double homeworks, homework A and homework B in both of these lessons. And then your group assignments for each of them. And so let's take a look at those group assignments. For lesson 11, dealing with systems of equations. And so some practice problems here, and I really recommend work together on these because systems can be tricky for a lot of people. And so help each other out as much as you can. And so just some practice to start off with, and then kind of applying that to these different situations. And so for each of these, you'll be working through this and setting up a system of equations that you'll be solving to help you decide, come to a final decision on these scenarios. And so really good practice for you, especially that setting up tends to be the trickiest part there. And so yeah, good practice working with these systems in this one. For your lesson 12 group assignment, now dealing with probability and confidence intervals. And so first off, just explaining the difference between empirical and theoretical probability, and then working with probability and confidence intervals here, calculating those. Same kind of idea here in step 3, only a little more involved, where you actually get to roll the die. And so if you have one handy, you can use it during your group meeting to do that, or there's a link to an online die that you can use and roll instead if you don't happen to have one handy. And so you're using this kind of as this prediction for this free throw situation over here. So some good stuff for this week. Kind of getting a little harder as we go, so please do keep asking those questions, and I'm happy to help you out with them.